Hey, what's going on, everybody? We're pretty shut down here. I got tired sitting around. Figured I'd just do an update video. You know, me walking around, try to start up the 57, and we'll try to start up the truck and just pedal around. Got a big old fire going on in the house, and you know, I'll take a snow day or 2 or 4. Tell you what. People around here are so unprepared. You know, I grew up in Nebraska, so it's like a normal day, you know, when the snow comes in. But, man, people just shut it down. I'm talking, the city doesn't even have a snowplow. So, you know, they pretty much rely on, you wait till it melts before you get back to your routine. So we're going to jack around, we're going to walk around and, mess around with some stuff until we get cold, and then we'll go in the house, set by fire. All right. Been sitting in the freeze for a while since we parked it last week. Should see if she starts. Nope. All right, we got the trickle charger on here. We'll try to charge up for a while. So let's go up and see if the 57 starts. Just a little snippet. Cool hot rod. All right, let's see if she fires up. Fail number 1, looks like I lost battery connection. What do you know? Oh, reliable. Wish the heater worked. We'll let her warm up. Yeah, she's idling. Pretty quiet in here. What y'all doing in here? What's water? All right, we got the 6-volt super 40 amp start. Got it hooked up. Try number 3. This is the first time I wore my snow boots in like 10 years. All right. All right, let's try this again. Oh shit, key on. Ooh, that was close. All right, we'll let her charge a little bit more. What's this, time number 4? It's starting to get kind of cold. What? Awesome. You know one thing about this truck? The battery box. I mean, it's not in bad shape at all, the cover. It even turns and locks. Badass. Alright, well, she's running. We'll let her run for a little while. She's still smelling pretty good. Shoot, we got a couple inches. I'm sure in town they're panicking. You know this thing? I think it would make a badass hot rod. I got the panels that go here. There's like a little quarter panel right here that goes to the roof. And then I got the panel that goes from here that swoops back on the roof. They're in the car. But I'm missing that back panel. I may try to fab one there. Look at that. What do they call that? Weight reduction. So we might practice our sheet metal welding skills on this sucker. But it's got the motor in there. We'll tear that original driveline out, fix her up a little bit. I mean, it's a yard art car, so no big disaster cutting her up. Anyways, truck is running good. The battery was just low, super low. Stupid 6-volt crap. Put the choke in a little bit. Anyways, good enough. All right. All right, well, you know, here's what it is. So, you know, maybe this summer I'll get the heater all set up in the garage. So, you know, on days like this, I could be in the shop like everybody else, you know. But, you know, I work outside all year round. So, but what, you know, we'll take a little break. Even though I'm just, want to be working on some stuff. But, you know, I appreciate everybody watching, and we'll try to get some car videos out here soon as it warms up a bit. I think it's gonna be 70 on Sunday, so you know, back to normal. But hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and I appreciate all of you. Thanks.